Why are you acting like a fool? Walking around you at school. Please tell me how is this so cool?
Hi guys! In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about the steps that I took to maintain myself. These are simple steps that we all can follow to live a healthy life. Starting up with getting up in the morning. I usually get up between 6 to 7 am, but that usually depends on the overnight studies. Now that I had to film for you guys, I got up a little bit early. So it was about 5:30 in the morning. Guys, I saw some major changes in myself when I started getting up early in the morning. My mood was better, I was more productive. After getting up and making my bed, I'm gonna have a warm glass of water with apple cider vinegar. This was suggested by one of my friends, and I must say that it helped me a lot. Apple cider vinegar has a lot of medicinal benefits. This not only helps in suppressing hunger cravings, but helps in weight management and reduces blood sugar levels as well. The one that I'm using is from Neuherbs. This is their organic apple cider vinegar with mother. I've been using this because this is made out of fresh and natural apple juice along with organic certification, USDA and India Organic. So I'm gonna take about 5 to 10 ml and add it to a glass of warm water. I'm gonna mix this and have it on an empty stomach. I do not chug the entire glass at one go. In fact, I take smaller sips and think about the rest of the day. I'm going to be linking all the products in the description bar below. In case if you guys are interested, do check them out. After finishing this up, I'm gonna go freshen up and continue with my workout. I generally go for a jog or it's an indoor exercise. But a 30 minutes activity is a must. Post workout, I'm gonna go in for a cold shower. You know how much I love my cold showers. They help in boosting the metabolism and refresh you like anything. Breakfast time! I never skip my breakfast. In fact, it's my favorite meal of the day. Oats topped with a couple of nuts and flaxseed powder. This will keep your blood sugar in check and cholesterol levels in check. Plus, if you have all these things, you do not need to depend on any other supplements. No matter how busy I am, my mother is going to make sure I have a bowl full of fruits. And this is what I'll suggest to you guys. Now, instead of popping that vitamin C tablet, have a bowl full of vitamin C. I mean your fruits. Like I always say, what shows on the outside is exactly what's going on the inside. To be able to look and feel good, you have to be strong and healthy internally. Fruits are a must. Do not skip your meals. I do not eat fancy fruits. In fact, I work with whatever's available at my house. I prefer fruits and vegetables that are seasonal. And that's pretty much it. Indian meals are so rich and balanced that we do not need to depend on supplements for our diet. A quick lifestyle tip. Whenever you have hunger cravings, do not reach out for a bowl of namkeen or chips. These are fried and have high level of sodium and oil in them. So instead, reach out for a bowl full of nuts. Almonds and walnuts are not only filling, but they are great for your health. Oral hygiene is a must. All these things are interconnected, and so is brushing your hair. Now, no matter how bored I am with this step, I still do not fail to brush my hair every single day. Not only does it detangle your hair, but is also great for scalp circulation. Plus, no messy hair means that my mom's not gonna scold me. So you're saving 2 people from taking stress. Haha, jokes apart, please brush your hair. After this, back to skincare. Skincare is my favorite thing in the whole entire world. I try to keep it as basic and simple as possible. I follow a couple of steps. So face wash at the beginning, toner and lip balm. My lip balm is a whole mood for me. Plus, now that the winters are approaching, I have started having chapped lips and nobody likes that. So I'm just gonna apply a generous layer of this lip balm, following up with my moisturizer which already has an SPF. Like I said, winters are approaching and our skin tends to get drier due to the weather. And so I'm gonna apply a more moisturizing cream for the ultimate hydration. To the people who have been following me for the longest time, they do know that I do not wear a lot of makeup. And I do not suggest you to wear a lot of makeup at home. But a little tint does not harm nobody. Plus, it adds a little color to your face. So I'm just gonna go in with a little tint over the lip balm that I applied. And also apply the same tint to my cheeks. Lip tints are my favorite. I do not need to apply a lot of makeup. Add a little bit of color and you're good to go. Ultimately, it's all about feeling good about yourself, guys. Follow whatever you like, because it's all about you. To all those people who thought that I was done there, eyes are important too. I'm gonna curl them and apply a simple organic kajal. Whenever I don't apply kajal and look at myself in the mirror, feels like I've cried. When I didn't actually. Post this, I'm gonna go to the park and chill out a little bit. I love swings. Yes, it's meant for the kids, but hey, I'm gonna do it regardless. Heading towards the basketball court, I just don't like monotonous exercises. So yes, I decided to play with this cutie. For me, exercising is not a task. I love to enjoy it, and I would suggest you guys to enjoy it too. Don't do it for the heck of doing it. Enjoying one of the most common things that we overlook is hydration. I try to have 2 to 3 liters of water every single day, and for this my bottle helps me out a lot. My bottle has these markings, so I know exactly how much I've had that day. Also, please don't overdo it. I see a lot of people having tons and tons of water where your body doesn't require it. Always remember, anything in excess is bad for your health. I would suggest you to have your own bottles and carry them anywhere and everywhere you go, except for the washrooms, like I am doing here. A lot of times I forget to have water, or I'm too lazy to reach out for it. In that case, my bottle comes in handy. Writing is really important for me. I write whatever's on my mind, and to be honest, it helps me a lot. Whenever I write something down, I mostly don't forget it, and if I do, I just go through my notes. Anything that has to be done, anything that has been done, any important reminders, everything goes into my diary. This is gonna help you a lot, trust me. Plus, this is a great way of being very productive. Everything will be done as per the schedule, and you will have a very disciplined way of working. Growing up, I used to write down my happy memories into my secret diary. And this is a habit that has continued with me till now. So whenever I feel sad, I just read them and I'm back on track. Music is an important part of my life. It just takes out all the stress that I am going through. I love playing instruments. So I make sure that I play my instrument or listen to music every single day. It releases the stress and increases the feel-good hormones. Since I am telling you how I maintain myself, it is very important to throw light on all the factors that help in one's well-being. Reading is one of them. Reading is knowledge, and knowledge is awareness. And we need to be aware about things, right? I limit the screen time as much as I can. Now I know most of my work is online. I need to use editing softwares. I am on my computer all the time, but I always try to stay away from it before going to bed. If I have assignments, I'm gonna complete them, and if I don't, I listen to some songs before I sleep and try to sleep before 12. Now I'm sure you guys are thinking 12, but hey, I do manage my videos and my assignments all by my own. Although I'm working on bettering this. Bye guys!